Very good evening, students. Very good evening, students. Today we'll discuss about the further topics. I'm back. So let us see basic concepts and definitions. So yesterday in the previous video we have discussed about the contents and the partitions, part in, part B, and so now we will discuss about the next topic, that is basic concepts and definitions. So data is a collection of raw facts which have not been processed to reveal useful information is produced by processing data as shown in the figure. फिगर में आप देख सकते हो 1.2 ए में दे रखा है व्हाट इज गिवन डेटा प्रोसेसिंग, हाउ द डेटा इज यूज्ड एंड प्रोसेस्ड एंड आफ्टर दैट हाउ इट बिकम्स इन्फॉर्मेशन मीन्स देर विल बी अ व्हाट प्रोसेसिंग ऑफ डेटा टू फॉर्म ए इन्फॉर्मेशन. क्या होता है डेटा को कोई भी मैंने आप बताया था, आज मैंने एक्सप्लेन किया था इन द क्लास एज वेल सम ऑफ द ग्लैंस एट ए ग्लैंस दैट डेटा whenever if you want to convert the data into the information, you have to process data, you have to make changes, you have to make in order, proper order, you have to made in a systematic way as well. Next is what, for example, given the data of the test marks of the students in the class, like suppose example क्या दे रखा है, टेस्ट मार्क्स हैं स्टूडेंट्स के, एवरेज निकालना, maximum number of marks who has gained, minimum number of marks who has gained, indicators, performance, who is the first ranker, second ranker, all these things becomes what it is basing. You are doing what you are using the data and you are processing it to a certain in a proper order, and you are making it an information as well. Marks obtained by the students in an examination, you will compute, you will calculate the average, calculate the maximum and minimum marks, and that will give rise to the performance of the class. That it means it will automatically gives rise to information as well. डेटाबेसेस आर बीइंग यूज्ड एक्सटेंसिवली इन आर डे टू डे लाइफ. हमारी लाइफ में डेटा बहुत ही ज़्यादा यूज़ हो रही हैं, जहाँ देखो मिल इन ऑल द डायरेक्शंस इन द टर्म्स ऑफ बी टी बिजनेस, इंजीनियरिंग, मेडिसिन, एजुकेशन, लाइब्रेरी, इन एनी टर्म्स एज वेल. Example, consider the name, class, roll number, marks in every subject of the student in a school is considered as an data as well. To record this information about every student in a school, the school might have maintained a register or stored it in a hard drive using computer system, software such as spreadsheet or DBMS package. So basically ये सारे data जो है student से related, whether it is a unit test, about the annual, about the half yearly, about the personal data, about the address, residential address, all each and every data is stored in the various situations, various format like register, whether it is in the drives, hard drives, hard disk drives, in software, in the form of DBMS. Such collection of related data that has been recorded, organized and made available for the searching in all the is called a database. So एक ये सारी चीज़ें मीन्स डेटाबेस एक ऐसी चीज़ है जिसके अंदर ये सारे रिलेटेड मीन्स everything related to the students, organization, or all the things are included in the single go as well. A database has the following properties. So let us see what is database. What are the characteristics or properties of the database? Database is a representation of some aspect of the real world called mini world. Whenever there are changes in the mini world, there are also reflected in the database. Means कुछ ना कुछ changes अगर हैं, अगर आपने उनके डेटा में कुछ भी changes किया कि जी भाई yes he is promoted into the next class and now he will go into the class 9 or class 8 from 7 to 8 or 8 to 9. So example, so that is something, but what you can make changes as well. It is designed, built, and means it is what user friendly. It will you can make changes it as per the requirement. It is designed, built, and populated with the data or specific purpose as well. Designed populated means there is a huge amount of data you can store it in a specific for the every specific purpose as well. It can be of any size, complexity, किसी भी size का हो सकता है, complex nature का हो सकता है. It can be maintained manually or in maybe computerized format. So it can be manually भी maintain किया जा सकता है via the register, and it can also be promoted or it can be also maintained in the form of computerized format as well. So in the next video, we'll study about the need for a database. Why is the requirement of database in our day-to-day life? So thank you for taking part in the video. Thank you.